Transform your beef chuck roast with this coffee roasted recipe. Hey, coffee and meat lovers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an incredible recipe that combines the rich flavors of coffee with a succulent beef chuck roast. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with our coffee roasted beef chuck. Let's dive right in. Ingredients: 3 pounds beef chuck roast, 2 tablespoons finely ground coffee, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 1 tablespoon paprika, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1 cup beef broth, 1 onion, sliced, 4 cloves garlic, minced. Instructions: preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 163 degrees Celsius. In a small bowl, combine the ground coffee, brown sugar, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and black pepper. Mix well to create a dry rub. Pat the beef chuck roast dry with paper towels. Then, rub the dry rub mixture all over the roast, ensuring it is coated evenly on all sides. Heat the vegetable oil in a large oven-safe pot or Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, add the beef chuck roast and sear it on all sides until nicely browned. This will help seal in the flavors and juices. Remove the seared roast from the pot and set it aside on a plate. In the same pot, add the sliced onion and minced garlic. Cook for a few minutes until the onions are softened and translucent. Return the beef chuck roast to the pot, placing it on top of the onions and garlic. Pour the beef broth into the pot, ensuring that the liquid comes about halfway up the sides of the roast. Cover the pot with a lid and transfer it to the preheated oven. Allow the roast to cook for approximately 3 to 4 hours, or until the meat is tender and easily pulls apart with a fork. Once cooked, remove the pot from the oven and carefully transfer the roast to a cutting board. Allow it to rest for a few minutes before slicing. While the roast is resting, you can strain the pan juices and skim off any excess fat. Optionally, you can reduce the pan juices on the stovetop to create a flavorful sauce. Slice the coffee roasted beef chuck roast and serve it with the pan juices or sauce. It pairs well with roasted vegetables, mashed potatoes, or your favorite side dishes. And that's a wrap on our coffee roasted beef chuck recipe. We hope you enjoyed this unique and delicious combination of coffee and beef. If you gave it a try, let us know in the comments below how it turned out for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more mouthwatering recipes, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new coffee-infused creation. Until next time, keep brewing and cooking. Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.